Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a really quick way to convert a PDF into Google Docs format for editing. Now, first thing is we need to do is upload the PDF into Google Drive. So I show you how to do that. Now, first of all open Google Drive. Now, first thing is important to remember, that this thing is only work with PDF, which are based on text. Now, click on New at the top left corner. Then from here select Upload File. Then a window will appear. You can browse and select your PDF, and click on Open. Then as you can it is uploading. When it uploads, you can see 3 dots here, click on it. Then first option you can see Open With. From here select Google Docs. It may take some time to open. So keep patience. When it opens, you can edit this document according to you desire. Now, if you want to download it in Microsoft Word, then click on File, at the top left corner. Then take cursor to download. Then you can see drop-down menu, at the right side of download. Now, from here you can download it in many file formats, but this time, I am selecting Microsoft Word. Now, after this open Downloads tab. And here you can see my file is downloaded. Now I am opening this file. Now as you can see I have opened this file Microsoft Word. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.